Losing oneself is a feeling many people experience at some point in their lives. It often begins with a sense of disconnection from your true identity, as if you're no longer in touch with your core values or passions. Common signs include feeling lost, uncertain about your direction, or noticing that your actions don't align with who you believe you are. These moments can be confusing and unsettling, but recognizing them is the first step toward understanding and reconnecting with yourself. People can lose touch with themselves for a variety of reasons. External pressures, such as societal expectations or demanding work environments, often push individuals to prioritize others' needs over their own. Major life transitions, like moving to a new city or experiencing a significant loss, can disrupt a person's sense of identity and direction. Internal struggles, including self-doubt or unresolved emotions, may also contribute to feeling disconnected. Together, these factors can make it challenging for someone to remain grounded in who they truly are. Feeling lost can have a profound emotional and psychological impact. Many people experience anxiety as they struggle to find direction, often feeling overwhelmed by uncertainty about the future. This confusion can lead to a sense of isolation, making it difficult to connect with others or find motivation. Over time, the lack of clear purpose may erode self-confidence, leaving individuals questioning their choices and abilities. These feelings are common, yet they can be deeply challenging to navigate. Reconnecting with your authentic self begins with intentional self-reflection. Take time to examine your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, allowing yourself to understand what truly matters to you. Setting healthy boundaries is also essential, as it helps protect your well-being and ensures your actions align with your values. Rediscovering personal values can be achieved by exploring what brings you fulfillment and joy. By integrating these strategies into your daily life, you can gradually build a deeper connection with your true self. Reaching out to trusted friends, mentors, or professionals can make a significant difference when navigating challenging times. These supportive relationships offer guidance, understanding, and reassurance that you are not alone. Equally important is practicing self-compassion, allowing yourself patience and kindness as you work through personal growth. Remember, the journey back to yourself is unique, and it's okay to seek help along the way. Embracing support and self-care can foster resilience and a deeper sense of well-being. Even in the moments when you feel most lost, remember that the journey back to yourself is always possible. Challenges and uncertainty can become powerful catalysts for personal growth and self-discovery. With time and perseverance, new perspectives emerge, and strengths you never knew you had can come to light. Trust that every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to renewed purpose and understanding. There is hope in every new beginning, and your path forward is waiting to be found.